Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Abdus Salam with Kashmir Update. Indian occupation forces, in their continued acts of state terrorism, martyred two more youth in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The youth were killed during a cordon and search operation in Khanuma area of Srinagar today. Indian forces also damaged a newly built two-story residential house during the operation. People of the area, including women and youth, while defying the restrictions, gathered outside the damaged house and raised vociferous slogans against India and in favor of freedom. They said that the martyrs were innocent youth and killed in a fake encounter. At least 6 youth have been arrested during house raids at Trikuvangam area of Shopian district last night. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference has appealed to the freedom-loving people of Kashmir to observe complete shutdown on 21st May 2021 to commemorate the martyrdom anniversaries of Mirwais Muhammad Farooq, Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lon and martyrs of Hawal Srinagar. Mirwais Farooq was shot dead by unidentified gunmen at his residence in Srinagar on 21st May in 1990. On the same day, 70 mourners were killed when Indian troops opened indiscriminate fire on his funeral procession in Hawal area of Srinagar. On the same day in 2002, Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lon was martyred by unknown attackers when he was returning from addressing a gathering at Mazar-e-Shuhada in Srinagar. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference, in a statement issued in Srinagar today, said that on this day, protest rallies will be organized against ruthless genocide, human rights abuses, illegal arrests, harassment, frequent use of brute force and barbarism perpetrated by Indian occupation forces against the freedom-loving people of Kashmir. Apart from holding dua and Quran Khani after Fajr prayers, people will also visit Martyrs' graveyard in Srinagar to offer Fatiha on the same day. Terming both the leaders as the great and visionary icons of our freedom movement, the All-Party Hurriyat Conference spokesman said that invisible hands of Indian agencies engineered their deep conspiracies from the very inception of the ongoing resistance movement to leave it leaderless, but the brave people of Kashmir faced every such odd situation by displaying sagacity and political acumen in foiling down these nefarious Indian designs. Jammu and Kashmir Awami Action Committee has paid tribute to its founder and prominent Hurriyat leader Mirwais Maulvi Muhammad Farooq and the martyrs of Hawal on their 31st and Abdul Ghani Lon on his 19th martyrdom anniversary. It appealed to the people and imams of masajid to remember Maulvi Muhammad Farooq and rest of the martyrs in their prayers. Other Hurriyat organizations also paid glowing tribute to Mirwais Muhammad Farooq, Khwaja Abdul Ghani Lon and martyrs of Hawal and said that the nation refresh its pledge to carry the sacred mission of its logical conclusion as we are indebted to the precious sacrifices of our martyrs. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.